We're living in an interconnected world where risks aren't separate, they converge. And when this happens, they interact and can create a polycrisis. Being ready for a polycrisis needs more than just planning. It needs foresight. The Polycrisis Exploration Workshop Toolkit is a way to hold strategic discussions about current and future risks and how they can intersect. This helps policymakers plan and identify possible policy interventions. Developed by the EU Policy Lab of the Joint Research Centre, it provides guides, risk cards, posters and templates, everything you need to explore a possible polycrisis. With this tool, you can have strategic conversations about what might lie ahead and how you might get ready to respond. You explore cascading impacts, finding surprising connections and hotspots along the way. The process turns complexity into meaningful action. You start by looking at a large number of potential risks, and then you pick the 3 most critical uncertainties for your team or project. From there, you map the system. You explore how risks can be connected and where a single risk could have a knock-on effect. This is where the map comes alive, revealing the hotspots, causal links and feedback loops where a single risk could trigger a chain reaction across the entire policy landscape. Finally, you turn insight into action. You explore where you can make a difference, assessing what you already have and what you still need to prepare. Push to get out of your comfort zone. Approach your topic from a different angle and consider factors beyond your daily work. This is all part of the process, daring you to come up with bold ideas and creative solutions that build resilience. Does this sound interesting? We can work with you to create a tailor-made workshop, or you can use the facilitator's guide and tutorial video to run the session yourself. Collective intelligence is within your reach.